The Honeywell 70 Pint Energy Star Certified Dehumidifier effectively removes excess moisture to help protect your home from mold and mildew. This dehumidifier is designed for medium to large-sized rooms or basements and is Energy Star qualified, so it removes moisture with less energy consumption when compared to conventional dehumidifiers. A smart digital humidistat control and display allows you to change the fan speed and adjust the 24-hour energy-saving timer. It also features an easy-access washable air filter, detachable water tank with handle, anti-spill tank stand, smooth rolling wheels for easy mobility, and continuous drain option for long unattended operation. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.